Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create amazing trendy retro and vintage style photos using AI with Google Gemini. You can make cool vintage effect in just one click by uploading any photo of yourself. I will guide you step by step so you won't miss any popular AI prompt to transfer your photos into retro masterpiece. This is perfect for making your pictures look like they came straight from the 80s or 90s with that classic vintage vibe. First open your Chrome browser, then type Gemini AI. Now click on this link. Now click on tools and select the option create images. I will provide you all the exact prompts you need to create this vintage effect. Simply copy the prompt and paste it in the AI app along with your photo. So click on this plus button, upload files, take the image of yourself and upload it. Now paste this prompt. You can also stop the video and take the screenshot of this prompt, and I will also add this prompt in the description and other prompts as well. Now click on submit. It will take some time to generate, so just wait for it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. So as you can see, it has generated the image. Now let's generate some other image. Again click on plus button, upload files, upload your image. Then I'm going to paste the different prompt. Now click on submit. So just wait for the image to generate. So as you can see, it has generated the image of myself. The face is little bit different. So let's retry it again. Sometimes the face doesn't match with the original face. So just redo it again. So now as you can see, now the face is matching. So in this way you can create these beautiful images and upload it on social media. So to download your photos, just click on download button. Now let's generate one more image. Now follow the same process, add your photos, paste the different prompts and let's run it and just wait for some moment to generate the image. So as you can see, my face looks exactly the same and it has created the image. You can download it from here again. I'm really liking these images. Now let's generate another image. So follow the same process and I'm pasting a different prompt and wait for it to generate. So as you can see, it has generated a beautiful image of myself and it looks really realistic. It also took the details of my face very clearly and my beard. Also my hairstyle is exactly the same. So in this way you can generate cool images using this tool called Nano Banana using Gemini. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more trending AI photo editing prompts and tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will keep bringing you the latest AI trends and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.